It's been a while since the Maverick made one of my big predictions. Well, come at the hour, come at the occasion. Another test series between the West Indies and jolly old England. It goes off tomorrow. But before we get to the prediction, the England team is depleted, especially in the bowling department. Veterans Jimmy Anderson and Stuart Broad are out. Jofra Archer is still out injured. Ollie Robinson is also now on the injured list. That's 4 top-line English bowlers now out. So many experts are talking up the chances of the West Indies. Plus, the English just got hammered in the Ashes. Plus, again, England, they have not been dominant in the West Indies. I want to tell you, some experts based on all of that are even picking the West Indies to win the series. But we've been down this road before. It's called pre-series optimism based on emotionalism. I think with Joe Root, Ben Stokes, Johnny Bairstow and company, England will get enough runs while the West Indies batting is so ordinary. The English bowlers will have little or no problems in taking the 60 wickets needed to win the 3 test matches. And that is why the West Indies will be whitewashed in the series, weather permitting. And by the way, that is my Maverick prediction.